If you need to find deleted files in Google Drive, this quick guide will show you exactly how to open the trash folder in just a few seconds. This is super useful when you accidentally delete something and want to recover it before it's gone for good. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and sign in if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main Google Drive page, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where Google Drive keeps all of your main folders and shortcuts, including things like My Drive, Shared with Me, Recent, and more. Now, scroll your eyes down the sidebar until you see Trash. It's usually near the bottom of the menu. When you find it, click Trash once. That's it. Google Drive will open the trash folder right away. Inside the trash, you'll see any files and folders that were deleted from your drive. You can review them here, restore anything you still need, or empty the trash if you want to permanently remove items. So if your goal was simply to open Google Drive trash, you're now in the right place. A quick tip. If you don't see trash immediately, make sure you're using the web version of Google Drive, because that's where the sidebar layout is easiest to access. Also, remember that deleted items may only stay in trash for a limited time before Google removes them automatically. And that's how to open Google Drive Trash on the web version in just a few clicks. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.